In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a Pardot email template. So first thing, log into Salesforce and navigate to the Pardot Lightning application. Then go to Pardot email. By default, it's going to open up on templates. If you're not already here, click on the templates menu item on the left, and then go ahead and hit the button either under published email templates or email template drafts. Hit the button to add a new email template. First thing you're going to see is the screen that asks you to name this. And like most other things in Pardot, you can add a tag or you can put it in a folder. And you're going to need to associate a campaign with this email template. In this case, I'm just going to use my default website tracking campaign. Now, beneath that, we've got two email types, HTML and text or text. I recommend going with HTML and text. Text only is truly text only. You can't even turn any of that text into a link. So we'll choose HTML and text, and then click all the boxes where you want to use that email template. Then hit save. Next thing that shows up is a list of all the layouts that you can use to start from as you build out this email. Now the best ones all start with responsive. So I'm just going to type in responsive in the upper right and then select one of these. We'll go with responsive image basic. Hit apply, and that will bring you to the email builder. Now here's where you can start changing the design and the content of this email template. You've got these sections on the left, and whenever you click into a section, you can then edit it on the right-hand side here. So if I want to swap out this image placeholder, just click into that section. Here's our image placeholder. You can double tap on that, and you can replace the image. If we go into this section where there's a lot of text, click in on the right, and you can add your text here. If you want to add merge fields to personalize that email template, you have a merge field button in the toolbar. Click on that, and you'll see that you can pull in merge fields from accounts or the organization, that's your company, the recipient, who you're sending the email to, as well as the sender, whoever you assign, whichever user is actually sending this particular message. You also have this other section. This is where you'll find important tokens, essentially, for unsubscribe or view online or the link to the email preference center. Once you're happy with the content here, you can click on preview to see what this email is going to look like from any person in your database's point of view. You can also click on HTML if you need a higher level of customization. And then once you're happy with that, go to text and hit the sync from HTML button. This is going to pull that content from our HTML version of the email into the text version of the email. And this is completely adjustable here as well. If you want to change the copy, you can do that. And you can certainly clean up all of these big spaces between the line breaks. Okay, that looks pretty good. So I'm going to hit save at this point and then move on to the next step, which would be testing. So under testing, you can send this email out to individual people within your organization. Just put in their emails here, or you can create an internal test list. We would have done this separately to send a test version of this email to a whole group of people, usually within your organization. Once you're done with that, let's go to sending. So this is the last phase of building the email template. Here's where you choose who the sender is. In this case, I'm going to choose specific user and set myself as the sender. I don't need a custom reply to address. I want all the replies to come back to me. But if you do want a custom reply to address, you'll set that here. You can review the subject line, make any changes you might need. Click on Advanced Subject Composer if you want to insert merge fields. And that's it. Once you're happy with it, click Publish to Template, and then it becomes available for use in automations throughout the Pardot system. Thanks for watching. See you next time.